Hey there, it's Anna. Today we're diving into a topic that's essential for deepening your connection with a woman, understanding the places that she desires to be touched, along with the how and when to approach this. Touch can be a powerful form of communication, expressing care, desire, and connection. And in this video, we will explore the areas that women often enjoy being touched and the nuances of timing and approach that can make all the difference. By the end of this video, you will have a better understanding of how to use touch to enhance your relationship, ensuring it is always welcomed and enjoyed. Also, be sure to stay with us to the very end for an insightful bonus tip. This tip goes beyond the physical aspect and is essential for truly meaningful interactions. It's a piece of advice you will definitely find valuable. Fingertips along the forearm. Turning our attention to a delicate yet expressive form of touch, let's discuss the use of fingertips along the forearm. This area is subtly sensitive and can be very responsive to light, thoughtful touches. We will explore why this type of contact is significant and how to do it in a way that is both comfortable and endearing. The forearm is an area that can convey intimacy without being too invasive. Lightly running your fingertips along her forearm can be a tender and affectionate gesture. This touch is often seen as thoughtful and can evoke a sense of closeness and warmth. It's a way to express interest and care, and when done correctly can be very comforting and reassuring. The gentleness of the touch is key, as it should be soothing, not ticklish or overwhelming. When touching her forearm, start with a light, almost feather-like stroke. Be mindful of your touch's pressure and speed. It should be soft and slow, allowing her to enjoy the sensation. Watch her reaction to gauge whether she appreciates this kind of touch. If she responds positively, you can continue with similar gentle strokes. However, if she seems uncomfortable or indifferent, it's important to respect her response and refrain from further touching. Remember, the goal is to make her feel cherished and comfortable, so always prioritize her comfort and consent. Brushing hair from her face. Next, let's explore the intimate gesture of brushing hair away from her face. This simple act can carry a lot of meaning and create a moment of closeness. We'll look into the nuances of this gesture and understand when it's appropriate to do so. Brushing hair from her face is a deeply personal and caring gesture. It can signal a desire to connect and show attentiveness. This gesture is often seen as protective and tender, suggesting a level of intimacy and care. However, it's important to consider the level of comfort and familiarity in your relationship before making such a gesture, as it can be quite personal. When considering brushing her hair away from her face, be sure to read the situation and her comfort level. This gesture is best reserved for moments when you share a close and comfortable bond. It should be done gently and naturally without forcing the moment. Touching the small of her back. Now let's delve into the meaning behind touching the small of her back. This touch can communicate a range of emotions and intentions. We'll discuss the importance of this gesture and pinpoint the right moments to consider it. Touching the small of her back can be seen as a protective and intimate gesture. It's often interpreted as a sign of closeness and assurance. However, this area is also quite personal, so the context and the level of comfort in your relationship are crucial. The gesture should convey support and care, not possession or over-familiarity. Before touching the small of her back, ensure there is a mutual understanding and comfort in your interactions. This touch is usually more appropriate in a closer, more intimate relationship. It should be a gentle, brief touch, conveying support or guidance, like when walking together or entering a room. Tracing her collarbone. Moving on to a more delicate and intimate gesture, let's consider the act of tracing her collarbone. This touch is subtle yet can be profoundly intimate. We will explore the intricacies of this gesture and its place in conveying affection. Tracing a woman's collarbone is a gesture that requires a high level of intimacy and comfort within the relationship. It's a tender act often perceived as an expression of deep affection and attraction. This touch should be light and gentle gentle, done in a way that is respectful and caring. It's a form of touch that's best suited for moments of close personal connection and should be approached with sensitivity. The act of tracing her collarbone should be reserved for times when you share a strong, intimate bond. It's a gesture that can enhance a moment of closeness but needs to be approached with caution and respect for her personal space. Now, before we jump into the next point, if you are enjoying this video, please show it with a like and a comment. Your interaction helps me create more of what you love. Playful hip touches. Now let's turn to the dynamics of playful hip touches. This kind of touch can be flirty and playful if done right. We will delve into understanding the appropriate context for this gesture and how to execute it in a respectful manner. Touching her hips playfully can be a way to flirt and show your interest, but it's important to be aware of the timing and, of course, the nature of your relationship. This touch is more forward and can be perceived as intimate, so ensuring that it's welcomed is crucial. It's a gesture that should convey playfulness without overstepping boundaries, and it should always be done in a comfortable and non-threatening manner. When considering a playful touch on the hips, ensure that your relationship has reached a level of comfort and flirtatiousness that would make such a gesture appropriate. Should be a light, brief touch, more like a gentle tap or a playful nudge, rather than a firm hold. Observe her reaction closely, and if she responds positively, well, it indicates comfort with such interaction. However, if she seems uncomfortable or steps away, respect her space immediately and avoid repeating the gesture. Feather light touches on her thigh. Our next point delves into the delicate context of feather light touches on her thigh. Now, this type of touch can be very intimate and requires a deep understanding of the appropriate context. We will explore when and how these gentle touches can be expressed. A light, gentle touch on her thigh can be a highly intimate gesture. It's often seen as an expression of closeness and can intensify the connection between two people. However, due to its intimate nature, this touch should only occur in settings where a significant level of trust and comfort has been established. It's a gesture that should communicate care and affection, not possessiveness or overt sexuality. Before considering a light touch on her thigh, it's vital to ensure that your relationship is at a stage where such intimacy is mutually comfortable and, of course, appropriate. This touch should be as light as a feather and should never be forced or uninvited. Light kisses on the shoulders. Exploring further, let's discuss the affectionate gesture of giving light kisses on the shoulders. This touch can be a tender and loving expression when done in the right context. We will look into the nuances of this gesture and its role in conveying affection. Light kisses on the shoulders are often seen as a sweet and affectionate gesture. It's a way of showing care and tenderness without being too forward or invasive. This type of touch is usually well received in a close, intimate relationship where comfort and affection have already been established. It's a subtle but meaningful way to express your feelings and connect physically. When considering giving light kisses on the shoulders, make sure that your relationship has reached a level of intimacy where such actions are comfortable and welcomed. This gesture should be gentle and affectionate, reflecting the warmth and closeness of your relationship. Pay close attention to her reaction to ensure that she is receptive to this level of intimacy. Bonus tip: cultivating emotional intimacy. In addition to understanding physical touch, a valuable bonus tip is cultivating emotional intimacy. This aspect is crucial in deepening your connection. So let's explore how emotional intimacy complements physical touch and enhances the overall quality of your interactions with her. Emotional intimacy involves building a deeper bond through shared experiences, open communication, and mutual understanding. It's about creating a safe space where both of you feel comfortable sharing thoughts, feelings, and vulnerabilities. This emotional connection makes physical gestures much more meaningful and impactful. To cultivate emotional intimacy, engage in meaningful conversations, show interest in her life, and be empathetic to her experiences. Listening attentively and responding with understanding and care deepens the emotional bond. Cultivating emotional intimacy is valuable because it forms the foundation foundation of a strong, lasting relationship. It enhances trust, understanding, and mutual respect, making physical interactions more significant and cherished. A well-developed emotional connection leads to more fulfilling and satisfying interactions, fostering a deeper sense of closeness and connection. Now, as we wrap up this topic on understanding women's desires, why not delve deeper into reading her signals? Up next, explore the signs a girl is hitting on you, or discover the signs that you are more attractive than you realize. Thank you for joining us. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more.